Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Matatag Curriculum, English Grade 4, Quarter 3, Lesson 2. Our topic for today is about viewing and representing. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. First, identifying visual elements. Second, expressing the meaning of personally created visual text. Third, identifying multimedia elements, text, photographs, drawings, graphs, and illustrations. And fourth, justifying whether graphics or images are real or make-believe, fact or non-fact, graphics or images. Here are the contents. Viewing and representing. First, identifying visual elements. Second, expressing the meaning of personally created visual text. Third, identifying multimedia elements, text, photographs, drawings, graphs, and illustrations. And last, justifying whether graphics or images are real or make-believe, or fact or non-fact graphics or images. Day 1. Let's have first a short review. Let's remember the story of the rainbow we heard in our last lesson. Now, we're going to sing the colors of the rainbow. Here is the lyrics. Colors of the rainbow. How many colors does the rainbow have? Each time it appears in the sky. Red, orange, yellow, green, and indigo. The last one's violet. Remember the picture I showed you before we read the story The Magic Bahag? In our last lesson, we learned that there are important details in a story that help us understand and appreciate it better. Do you remember that picture? Do you think the picture helped you understand the story more? Why or why not? Share your answers to your classmates. Unlocking content vocabulary. Before we start the activity, let's talk about some important words we will be using. It's important to understand their meanings so that you can fully understand the lesson. I'm showing you a vocabulary chart worksheet. Read the sentences in the chart and use the clues to fill in the words in the boxes. Graphics are multimedia images that are non-text information representation. It means that they convey information on their own even without a text accompanying them. The following are the examples of graphics. Let's start with the first one. Blank are mostly used to accompany text, such as newspaper and magazine articles, books, short stories. They provide the reader with a visual representation of the textual information. What is this? The answer is illustrations. Second, blank are created by making lines and marks on newspaper or any surface. common instruments used include pencils, chalk, charcoal, pen and ink, colored pencils, crayons, pastels, ink brushes, erasers, markers, styluses, and even metals. What is this? The answer is drawings. Third, blank are pictures produced using a camera or film. They can be images or representations of persons, objects, or views in print recorded by a camera or film. What is this? The answer is photographs. The fourth one are visual representations that show how two or more information are related with each other. What is this? The answer is graphs. Activity number 1, recalling different elements of visual text or image. For the instruction, respond to the following questions by filling out the graphic organizer. So here's the graphic organizer that you need to answer. Let us answer. Kinds of lines: straight, curved, zigzag, dotted. Kinds of colors: warm, red, orange, and yellow. Cool, blue, green, and violet. Neutral, black, white, and gray. And last, pastel. Kinds of shapes: geometric, circle, square, triangle. Organic, natural, irregular. Abstract, symmetrical, or asymmetrical. Kinds of images: illustrations, photographs, diagrams, and graphs. Purpose of a visual text or image: to inform, to entertain, to persuade, to illustrate, or complement text. Here are the guide questions that you need to answer. First, what are the different elements of a visual text or image as shown in the graphic organizer? Second, what are the different kinds of lines, of shapes, of images? Write them on the appropriate boxes in the graphic organizer. Third, what kinds of colors do you know? Write your ideas on the appropriate box in the graphic organizer. And fourth, how does a visual text or image help a reader? And write your ideas on the rightmost box of the graphic organizer. Let's answer. First, what are the different elements of a visual text or image as shown in the graphic organizer? The answer: the different elements include lines, shapes, images, and colors. Second, what are the different kinds of lines? The answer: some elements of lines are straight, curved, dotted, and zigzag. Write this in the lines box of the graphic organizer. Third, what are the different kinds of shapes? The answer: shapes can be circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles. Write this in the shapes box of the graphic organizer. Fourth, what are the different kinds of lines? The answer: colors include red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, and black. Write this in the colors box of the graphic organizer. Fifth, How does a visual text or image help a reader? The answer: visual text or images help a reader by giving clues about the story, setting the mood, helping to understand the message better, and making the text more interesting. Write these ideas in the How It Helps the Reader box of the graphic organizer. Activity number 2, describing images based on visual elements. I'm going to show you a picture of a rainbow. Look at the colors and think about these questions. First, describe the rainbow. Second, what gives the rainbow its beauty? Third, what do you feel when you see rainbow? Why do you feel that way? And fourth, what is your favorite color in a rainbow and why? Let's answer the guide questions. First, describe the rainbow. The answer: a rainbow is a big curve of colors in the sky. It shows up when the sun shines through rain. The colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Second, what gives the rainbow its beauty? The answer: the rainbow is pretty because it has so many bright colors and lovely colors. Third, what do you feel when you see a rainbow and why do you feel that way? The answer: I feel happy when I see a rainbow because it looks so magical and fun. Fourth, what is your favorite color in a rainbow and why? This is my answer. Share your answer to your classmates, ha? My favorite color in the rainbow is blue because it's cool and reminds me of the sky. How about yours? Class, let me show you a beautiful painting called The Starry Night by a famous artist named Vincent van Gogh. Which color was used the most in the painting? Compared to a rainbow, is the painting still beautiful with only blue as the dominant color? Why or why not? Possible answer: in the painting The Starry Night, blue is the color used the most. Assume that each of you is a single color, such as red, blue, or indigo. Compared to a rainbow, will you consider yourself beautiful on your own and why? Possible answer: yes, the painting is still very beautiful, even with blue as the main color. The artist used blue in creative ways, mixing it with other colors to make it look magical and full of life. If there is a singing activity, who should we assign to lead it in our class? Why are we assigning him or her to do it? Is he well known for his excellent singing? Can superb singing become his or her identity and why? Possible answer: we should assign someone who sings very well to lead the activity. If they are known for their excellent singing, it makes sense to let them guide the class. Yes, their superb singing can become part of their identity because it's something they are really good at and everyone notices. How about you? What are you well known for in class, among your friends, in your family? So, what is your identity? Possible answer: what are you good at in class? Maybe you're known for being kind, helpful, or smart. Among your friends or family, you might be known for making people laugh or being creative. These things make up your identity, which is what makes you special and unique. Now, I will show you an image of a lion pride. Let's talk about it together. What do you see in the picture? How do the lions look? What do you think their group is doing? Why do you think they stay together as a pride? Let's take a look at this picture. Can we create something beautiful out of different colors as the rainbow does? Answer: yes. Just like the rainbow, we can create something beautiful by combining different colors. Each color adds something special, and together they make the whole picture or idea more interesting and amazing. Is the image beautiful? What made the image beautiful? Did each color contribute to the image's beauty? Based on this, is there beauty in differences? The answer: yes, the image is beautiful. The bright colors make the lion look unique and lively. Every color adds to its beauty, making it stand out. Yes, the different colors work together to make the picture even more special, which shows that beauty can come from differences. Suppose again you are one color and you only play with people who are the same color as you. How would you feel about that? Possible answer: if I were only with people of the same color, I might feel a little bored or lonely because it could get repetitive. It's fun to meet and play with different colors, as each one brings something new and exciting. Would you look for different colors to play with? Why or why not? Possible answer: yes. I would look for different colors to play with. Playing with different colors or people brings new ideas and makes things more interesting. It's exciting to see how everyone is unique, and it's fun to share experiences with others. What happens if students of varying abilities belong to the same group? Possible answer: if students with different abilities are in the same group, something beautiful can definitely be created. Everyone brings their strength, and by working together, they can create something even better than if they worked alone. Differences in abilities can make a group stronger and more creative. You are all correct in saying that we are beautiful in our own way, just like the Starry Night painting shows. Our abilities and talents are part of our identities. An identity is what we are known for, and it tells others who we are as individuals. But it's also important to have others around us. Just like the rainbow and the lion in the pictures, their beauty comes from their different colors. Similarly, some of us might be good at singing, some might dance to the songs, and others may write the songs for us. Together, we can celebrate our own unique abilities and cultural identities. Day 2. Let us look at the pictures again. What kind of image are this? Were there lines used in the image? What kinds of lines were used? And what are the other kinds of lines? Possible answer: these are works of art. One is a painting of the night sky, the starry night, and the other is a colorful image of a lion called Lion Pride. Were there lines used in the images? What kind of lines? The answer: yes, there are lines in both images. In the starry night, there are wavy and swirling lines for the sky and stars. In the lion pride image, there are bold and curved lines to show the lion's face and features. Other types of lines you might know include straight, zigzag, and broken lines. What shapes were used in the images? What other shapes do you know? In the starry night, you can see circles, the stars and the moon, and triangles, the tall tree. In the lion pride image, there are many curved shapes for the lion's face. Other shapes you might know include squares, rectangle, and ovals. What colors were used in the images? What are the different kinds of colors that you know? Possible answer: in the starry night, there are blue, yellow, and white. In the lion pride image, there are bright colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Some colors you might know are primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, while secondary colors are green, orange, and purple, and neutral colors like black, white, and gray. Are these images showing things that happen in real life? If they are, what kind of images are they? Possible answer: yes, they show real things. The night sky and the lion. However, they are made in a creative way, so they are called artistic or imaginative images. They do not look exactly like how they appear in real life, but are still inspired by it. If you look at the photograph of the starry night, what could Vincent van Gogh, its painter, possibly be expressing? What could be his thoughts while making the painting? What could he be feeling while he was painting the starry night? Possible answer: Van Gogh might have been expressing his thoughts about the beauty and mystery of the night sky. He could have been thinking about how peaceful or magical the night feels. While painting, he might have felt calm, thoughtful, or even a bit lonely. What is used in the painting that could help reveal his thoughts and feelings? Possible answer: the swirly lines in the sky, the glowing stars, and the dark, quiet village all help show his emotions. The way he used colors and brush strokes makes the painting feel full of energy and emotion. What color was mostly used in the starry night? What other colors were used? Possible answer: blue was mostly used in the painting. Other colors like yellow, white, and a little green were also used to highlight the stars and the moon. What do the colors tell us about Van Gogh's feelings? Possible answer: the blue color might show that he was feeling calm or sad, while the yellow and white in the stars and moon could mean he still felt hope or wonder. Why do you think he felt that way? Possible answer: he might have felt that way because he was thinking deeply about life or finding beauty in the quiet night. Why do we pay attention to colors in graphics? Possible answer: colors can show feelings and moods without using words. They help us understand the emotions behind the art and make it more interesting to look at. The Starry Night. The Starry Night shows how Vincent van Gogh used colors, shapes, and lines to express his emotions and thoughts. The painting's swirls and vibrant stars reflect both calmness and energy, showing his view of the sky or the night sky. The dominant blue color suggests peace or sadness, while the bright yellow stars and moon show hope and wonder. Through his art, Van Gogh reminds us that emotions can be shared beautifully without words. Just like him, we can use creativity to express how we feel. Graphics as multimedia elements. Number 1, illustrations are mostly used to accompany text, such as newspaper and magazine articles, books, short stories. They provide the reader with visual representation of the textual information. Here are the examples. Number 2, drawings are created by making lines and marks on paper or any surface. Common instruments used include pencils, chalk, charcoal, pen and ink, colored pencils, crayons, pastels, ink brushes, erasers, markers, styluses, and even metals. Here are the examples. Number 3, photographs are pictures produced using a camera or film. They can be images or representations of persons, objects, or views in print recorded by a camera or film. Here are the examples. Number 4, graphs are visual representations that show how two or more information are related with each other. Here are the examples. Now, let's go on with colors as visual elements. Color is the visual element that has the strongest effect on emotions. It has the power to stir up emotions. It can make one happy or even sad. Colors can reinforce or clarify messages. Because of this, texts are easier to understand if accompanied by colorful images. Let's have first the warm colors. The warm colors are the hues red, orange, yellow, and all the colors in between. Warm colors are vivid and energetic and tend to advance in space. Warm colors include oranges, reds, and yellows and remind us of things like the sun and fire. Next is cool colors. The cool colors are the hues purple, blue, green, and all the colors in between. Cool colors give us a very laid-back, calm, and appear to recede in space. Cool colors are blues, purples, and greens and remind us of things like water and grass. The third one is neutral colors. Neutral colors don't appear on the color wheel. They are white, black, gray, and sometimes brown. These colors represent earth, air, and water. They are not bright and exciting. Let's talk about colors one by one. First is red, the color of passion and energy. Red draws attention like no other color and radiates a strong and powerful energy that motivates us to take action. It is also linked to sexuality and stimulates deep and intimate passion. Red is ubiquitously used to warn and signal caution and danger. Red symbolizes action, strength, energy, and passion. Affects attention, motivates, stimulates, and cautions. Positive, sexuality, courage, desire, and confidence. Negative, anger, danger, revenge, and aggression. Orange, the color of enthusiasm and emotion. Orange exudes warmth and joy and is considered a fun color that provides emotional strength. It is optimistic and uplifting, adds spontaneity and positivity to life, and encourages social communication and creativity. It is a youthful and energetic color. Orange symbolizes emotion, youth, optimism, enthusiasm. Affects, encourages, uplifts, stimulates, communicates. Positive, spontaneity, creativity, and positivity. Negative, exhibitionism, superficial, impatient, and domination. Pink, the color of love and compassion. Pink has a gentle, soothing nature that can evoke nurturing and affectionate feelings. It symbolizes unconditional love but can also convey a sense of immaturity or lack of strength if overdone. Pink symbolizes love, romance, nurturing. Affects, soothes emotions, promotes calmness, and positive, compassion and warmth, negative, weakness and insecurity. Green, the color of harmony and health. Green has a grounding, stabilizing effect and is associated with renewal and the environment. It creates calmness and is refreshing, but excessive green may lead to feelings of envy or greed. Green symbolizes nature, growth, harmony. Affects, relieves stress, promotes balance. Positive, renewal, health. Negative, envy and materialism. Blue, the color of trust and loyalty. Blue has a calming and soothing effect, making it ideal for promoting focus and serenity. It symbolizes stability, confidence, and dependability. However, excessive blue can lead to feelings of sadness or detachment. Blue symbolizes trust, loyalty, and peace. Affects, calms the mind, encourages productivity. Positive, serenity, dependability. Negative, sadness, aloofness. Purple, the color of spirituality and imagination. Purple inspires us to explore our introspective thoughts. It symbolizes luxury, creativity, and mystery. But too much purple may lead to arrogance or excessive introversion. Purple symbolizes spirituality, imagination, and mystery. Affects, inspires creativity, encourages intuition. Positive, wisdom and royalty. Negative, arrogance and moodiness. Turquoise, the color of calmness and clarity. Turquoise has a cooling and calming effect that helps balance emotions and open the mind to clear communication. It symbolizes healing and creativity, but may make one feel overly sensitive or restless in excessive amounts. Turquoise symbolizes clarity, healing, and communication. Affects, balances, emotions, promotes clear thinking. Positive, calmness, open-mindedness. Negative, oversensitivity, and impulsiveness. Brown, the color of stability and reliability. Brown is dependable and grounding. It can create a comfortable and friendly feel of warmth. You can count on its help if you need an honest opinion, support, and protection. In smaller doses, it helps us stay grounded and inspires us. Brown symbolizes stability, security, and comfort. Effects, grounds and stabilizes, promotes reliability. Positive, dependability and warmth. Negative, boredom, stagnation. Black, the color of power and sophistication. Black is an authoritative shade that exudes strength and mystery. It adds drama and intensity to a space, as well as formal and refined qualities. In small doses, it can express restraint and stylishness. Black symbolizes stability, security, and comfort. Affects, grounds, and stabilizes, promotes reliability. Positive, dependability, and warmth. Negative, boredom and stagnation. White, the color of purity and innocence. White is a true balance of all colors. It creates clean, uncluttered spaces, representing new beginnings. It symbolizes hope and clarity, helping us focus and renew ourselves. However, too much white may feel sterile or overly clinical. White symbolizes purity, innocence, and simplicity. Affects, enhances space, promotes cleanliness. Positive, freshness and optimism. Negative, coldness and sterility. Here are the guide questions. First, why are colors important as visual elements? The answer, colors make things look interesting and help show feelings or ideas. Second, how do they give meaning to the image of a literary text? Answer, colors can show the mood of the story, like happy, sad, or exciting. Third, do they help convey the purpose of the image? How do colors do this? Answer, yes. Colors show the message by making parts of the image stand out and matching the story's theme. Fourth, are colors helpful in understanding literary texts and images? And why? Possible answer, yes. Colors help us feel emotions and understand the story better. Fifth, what kind of colors were used in Starry Night and Lion Pride? What are these colors? Possible answer, Starry Night, blues and yellows showing calmness and hope. Lion Pride, golden and brown showing strength and family. Sixth, knowing the meaning of these colors, is it possible that the assumptions you made about Van Gogh's feelings while doing the painting are correct? Why so? Answer, yes. The blue shows sadness and the yellow shows hope, matching how Van Gogh might have felt. Seventh, based on the colors, what meaning can possibly be inferred from the lion pride? Answer, the golden colors show the lions are strong and close as a family. Day 3. Let's take a look at again the picture of the lion pride and the starry night. Are the graphics I am showing the original version of the shown pictures? The answer, no, they are not the original paintings. If they are not the real paintings, what are they then? They are pictures or photographs of the paintings. What is the purpose of pictures or photographs? Do these convey information? The answer, yes. Pictures show messages and ideas in a way we can see. What information do these images present? Answer, they visually show a message like emotions or ideas. Do these images carry emotions? Yes, they show feelings like happiness, sadness, or excitement. What emotions may these images be presenting? Possible answer, the lion picture may show energy and pride, and the starry night may show calmness or wonder. Do these graphics entertain? Why are they entertaining? The answer, yes, they are entertaining because they are colorful and catch attention. If these graphics accompany the text that are read, will the information in the text be easier to comprehend and why? The answer, yes, it's easier to understand because the pictures help show what the text is talking about. Can these images still convey a message even without the text and why? The answer, yes, because the colors, shapes, and details tell a story or show emotions on their own. Now, in the story The Magic Bahag, Abyong was very proud of his bahag. His father said that the bahag tells the story of their ancestors and their culture, passed down through generations. The designs of the bahag show the symbols of the community and their way of life. Just like Abyong, we have our own stories and culture to share. In this activity, we will create the story of us. We will show who we are and what makes our community special by using colors, shapes, and pictures to share our message with others. Task number 5, Learner Activity Task. Instructions. This activity is called Expressing Us. The class will be divided into 4 groups. Each group will be assigned a graphic to create. These graphics created will center on expressing the culture of the people in the community. Read on the rubric below for guidance and follow the directions given for each group. So here is the rubric for Expressing Us. Now, here are the group tasks. Group 1, Us, who we are in photographs. Group 2 task, the illustrations of us. Group 3 task, us in drawings and sketches. Group 4 task, Graphing Us. Day 4. Reflection task. Instruction. For this activity, comply with the following directions. In the box below, write down your thoughts through a paragraph about the following questions. Be sure to write these thoughts in your journal too. Through a journal entry, the learners will write their thoughts to the following. Visual text or image, graphics. Reflection on learning. First, what is the most important thing that I learned from this lesson? Second, what part of the lesson activities did I enjoy most? Why did I enjoy this part? Third, what part of the lesson was difficult for me? Why was this part difficult? Fourth, how will I use these lessons when I reach my dream, profession, or job in the future? Formative test, performance-based assessment. The learners will be asked to create a graphic of their choice using all the visual elements learned. The focus of the graphics will be about themselves and expressing their identity. First, write a paragraph with 10 sentences or less about who you are, what you want, what you will be in the future. Second, choose the kind of graphic that you would like to make showing the information you have written on your essay. Third, choose the appropriate visual elements that you will use in completing your graphic. Fourth, in a paragraph, explain the graphics that you developed. You may refer to the following guide questions. First, what information do your graphics show? Does the graphic express your identity? How? Second, what visual elements are used in the graphic? What are the meanings of these visual elements used in the graphic? Third, what do they think about you? What identity are you trying to express in the graphic? Fourth, is the graphic able to convey the information you want the viewer to understand, and why? And that wraps up today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in.